Hey guys, what this is all about is an AEA that BINTAC sent me, and it is the Element Max in a 510. The coupon code for BINTAC to save money is OGBIN. Put it in at cart for discounts. So we have a whole bunch of different slugs that I have sized from 510 to 508, and I'll go ahead and run through the FX radar over time. There's a 247, a 350 something pair, and then a 347, a 404, and a 458. Now there is the double stacked Ronin and extension. It fits on the end of the shroud if you remove the cap. Here I begin. See, it's a PARD. It has a laser rangefinder on there. I got all the spars here. Put the Ronin on. It's not my ideal suppressor, but please hit like and subscribe. This is about a PARD not having a great mic, so instead I'm just going to say this is a sample of it shooting a few rounds at 36 yards. I have a whole lot of FX radaring I will be releasing and announcing, so go ahead and keep posted on that. Thank you for watching.
Bogg.